roasting garlic in the crock pot. So delicious, spread on bread, toast, stir it into your soups, your sauces, sprinkle it on pizza, pasta, salads. The possibilities are endless. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are roasting garlic in the crock pot. This is a super easy way to roast garlic. It tastes so delicious, and it's really easy to make. Roasted garlic is great spread on crackers, bread, toast. You could stir it into your soups, your sauces. You could sprinkle it on pizza, pasta, salads, and the possibilities are endless. The ingredients in this recipe are whole garlic cloves, olive oil, kosher salt, and fresh ground pepper. So the first thing that you need to do is cut 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch off the top of the garlic bulb so that you can see the cloves. So just take a sharp knife, cut the top off, and see if you got it all. I'm going to cut a little bit more to expose those cloves. So next we're going to take off most of the paper thin skin from the outside. You want to leave enough so there's enough that will hold the cloves together. Next you're going to go ahead and place your bulb. You can put it in a small glass jar or a bowl. Also, we can wrap it in foil. I'll cut 2 more and we'll prepare those. So we'll put one in a jar, we'll put one in a bowl. If you lost any cloves, just stick them in there. You can also wrap them in foil. This is pretty easy. Just kind of make a little bowl for them. We're going to put 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil over each bulb. You want it to drizzle down into the cracks. Next, you're going to go ahead and sprinkle salt and pepper over the top. Just sprinkle it to your taste. You can add more after it's cooked if you would like. Next, you'll wrap your bulb in foil, twist it tightly so it doesn't leak out, and then set it upright so it doesn't tip over. And for your glass containers, so you need to set it on a trivet or something metal so the glass doesn't touch the bottom of the crock pot. Before we put those in, we also need to cover those with foil. And try and set them as level as you can. Next, we're going to go ahead and set the heat to high. We're going to cook our garlic for 1.5 to 2 hours. We'll know when it's finished if you pierce it with a fork or a toothpick and it's smooth and soft. So we'll come back in about 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Okay, it's been about 1 hour and 45 minutes and we're going to check our roasted garlic. It should be tender when pierced. Let's check it. You can check it with a toothpick or a fork. Actually, the outside is soft and the center cloves are still kind of firm. So I'm going to put it back for a little bit longer. Okay, so I let the roasted garlic roast a little longer. Let's check it again. It's perfect. It's nice and soft. Larger garlics will take longer to cook, and these were larger than typical. Also, all crock pots are different, so I cooked this an extra half hour or so, just depending on how hot your crock pot is, how long it will take. We're going to take the rest out. These are also nice and soft. This smells so amazing. Kind of like the foil method, because you could just lock all those juices in. Smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to let it cool a bit, and then we'll try our garlic. Okay, our roasted garlic has cooled a bit, so now we're going to take them out. All you need to do is just squeeze each one out into a bowl. You can squeeze several at once and take out any skins that fall in. Okay, I'm going to mash this garlic together. It's so soft and creamy. You actually don't need to mash it. You could just spread the cloves right on your bread. So I have some toasted French bread. I'm just going to try some. I'm going to save these other cloves. I'm making some French bread pizza later. I'm going to put some of these cloves on that. You could also put roasted cloves, garlic cloves in your soups, put them on the salad. Anyways, I gotta try this. The garlic is so flavorful, you actually don't need a lot of it. You could also add more salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to taste it right now. Wow, this is so good. You can make a lot more. You can use your large crock pot. Roast a whole bunch at once. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.